How's your day so far?
Um, good.
Good. Are you gonna be ready to unwrap your presents or not yet?
Um, yes.
Yes. You ready now?
Yeah.
All right. Later we do it.
Um,
That's a nice ham.
All right, Merry Christmas! We're preparing the ham. Yeah, many layers to get that flavor in there.
Merry Christmas from my family to yours. We're gonna celebrate Christmas. Happy holidays.